A picture is worth 1,000 words. You may have heard this word before. Meaning of this, a complex idea can be conveyed by a single image, which conveys its meaning more effectively than mere a verbal description. Your content is highly dependent on visual content. Fortunately, you don't have to be a graphic designer to create captivating graphics. You can easily use canva.com to create an engaging graphics. It's free and it's easy to use. Even a newbie can create awesome graphics with this tool. Hi there, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about designing, editing and social media. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate that and also hope you guys are doing amazing. In this video, I am going to show you 10 hacks that will save your time while using Canva. You can use all these hacks in free or pro version of Canva. If you want to upgrade to Canva Pro version, this is the right time to upgrade, because now with Canva.com subscription, you can add 5 team members to your account. So you can divide the cost and it will become cheaper for you. I will give the link to upgrade to Canva Pro. If you want to upgrade, you will get 30 days free trial if you subscribe to Canva Pro version using below link. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video. Tip number 1. Change color all at once. You can change color of all the elements or text in one click. We don't need to click each elements or text to change the color. Let's see an example. You can see there are 4 pages here, and I'm going to change the color of this text, first page text, to red. Now the first page text color is red and other page text color is black. I want all the pages text color to red. Now I'm going to click on this change all button. Click here and now you can see all the text color are red. Tip number 2. Copy style. You can copy the style of any text or element in Canva and save your time. Let's see an example. Here you can see there are 2 text here and I want to copy this text style to this text. Let's see how. You just have to click this text and go to this 3 dot and click on this copy style button here and click on this text. Now the both texts are same. Tip number 3. Save elements. Do you use lots of elements in your design and want to reuse your favorite element in other design? Then you can save your elements so that you can use those elements later easily. Let me show you how. Suppose I'm going to click on this elements button and search for Instagram logo. Now suppose I like this element and I want to use this element in my other designs. Just click on this 3 dots and click on this add to like. Now this element is saved to likes. You can see all the elements you liked here. Just scroll down and click on this. You can see all your favorite elements will be saved here. Tip number 4. Color combination for your design. If you are confused what color to choose for your design, you can use style section of Canva to choose best and matching color for your design. Let's see how. Here you can see 2 pages with text. Now I am confused what color combination should I use. So just go to styles tab here. Click on this and click on this color, or you can use all here to change the style of this page. Suppose I'm going to click here. Color combination and text font is also changed. You can use any other design like this. Now suppose I like this, click on apply to all pages and here all the designs are changed with one click. You can choose colors here or fonts here. Tip number 5. Easily align your elements. You can easily align your page elements with a click of button. Let's see how. Here you can see there are 4 boxes that are not aligned properly. Now select all of these like this. Go to position, click on middle and all the boxes are aligned properly. Tip number 6. How to search only for free elements. If you are using free version of Canva and search for elements, the search result will show all the paid and free elements, which can be distracting. You can use search filter to search only for free element. Let's see how. Just go to elements tab here, click on this. Now go to on search tab and write any elements you want. Go to graphics tab. Now you can see there are lots of free elements is showing and with pro elements, but I want only free elements. For that, just go to here, click on this and click on this free and apply filter. Sometime it won't work, so click here, again elements, search again, go to graphics, click on free, apply filter. Now you can see all the free elements is showing. Tip number 7. Zooming in and out fast. You can zoom in and zoom out using keyboard shortcut. Using keyboard shortcut is always fast and convenient way to do a task. This is design. Now I want to zoom in. So press Ctrl and plus button to zoom and Ctrl plus minus button to zoom out. Tip number 8. Convert text to uppercase or lowercase. Suppose you have written a paragraph in uppercase and now you want to change it to lowercase. What will you do? Deleting a whole paragraph and rewriting it will be a very time consuming work. But you can do it with one click of button in Canva. Let me show you how. Here you can see a sentence, a quote, and I want this quote to be in uppercase. Just click on this 3-dot button and you can use this button to convert it to uppercase, or if you press it again, it will be in lowercase. Tip number 9. Get inspiration from computer design. If you want some design idea to take inspiration from, you can use this link. There are lots of design inspiration that will be useful for you. Tip number 10. Quick elements. The faster you can create, the faster you can get your message out in the world. There are a number of quick letter shortcuts to help you out. Let me show you some letter shortcut. You can press R for a rectangle, press L for a line, press C for a circle, and press T for a text. These are the 10 hacks to save your time in Canva. I hope you like this video. If you know any other hack, please write in the comment section down below. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure you give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss out any other video about tips, tricks and tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure you keep creating.